Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy, guys, live from our Sydney CBD branch. Hafiz with me today. Congratulations, Hafiz. You have got 8 each with 3 9s in PT. Very well done. What a great score. Very first thing I would like to ask you is that I really know that you were very dedicated. You used to work and you used to take a lot of mock tests from home, as you know, I remember. What was the most challenging factor or challenging thing throughout this journey?
First of all, thank you, Varun. And I would like to thank you thanks to Allah. The most challenging factor I faced, like when I started my journey, that was like the time of COVID pandemic, like everything was shut down. I was not able to come to academy. The most challenging thing was like the lack of feedback. I was not getting that much of feedback. But the good thing was like you guys were always there to help me out. Like whenever I called, whenever I messaged, you guys were there. You guys were giving me a continuous feedback. But the thing I felt that like lack at the time was the continuous feedback. I think so.
There was no face-to-face interaction.
Yeah, the face-to-face interaction is more important. I think so. So I was lacking in my case. I was lacking with it.
So what do you think? Once everything was settled down, you were regular to the lab as well.
Yeah.
How important is the feedback when it comes to PT, and especially when it comes to scoring 8 each in PT? How important is feedback and why it is important?
There are too many academies. There are too many tutors. There are too many people like who have done PTE and who have done something in English literature or something, right? But the thing is like feedback is important in a way. Like sometimes you think that you are doing good, you are doing well. There are very minor differences in few of the things. So somehow you are thinking you are doing good, but you are not. So feedback is important. And I would like to say like there are a lot of different techniques and strategies around the Sydney or maybe around the world to do the PTE. But exact feedback as per your capabilities, as per students' capabilities, where you are lacking is more important. Otherwise, like if it's not important, like everybody can do PTE. Yeah.
So basically, it's more about tailored feedback, right?
Yeah.
Because if one strategy has worked for me, it's not mandatory that will work for you as well.
Right? Yeah, you are 100% right. Like if I will give you an example over here about our new speaking strategies. Like the strategies we were following before was somehow similar, which we were following like from years, right?
That's right.
But those strategies were not working for everyone. Like in my case, like what I felt that like when I was speaking from memory, like when I was speaking from template, I was speaking in a flow. But when I have to speak from detailed lecture, or when I had to look at the graph and speak, my fluency was getting affected, right? I feel that like that same kind of strategy was not working. So you guys came up with a new strategy, right? So that strategy is working brilliantly, like for almost everyone. So that is why like tailored feedback or tailored strategies are working outstanding.
That's right. So guys, very, very important. You know what your weakness is, right?
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of content out there. You watch one video and then you watch another video and you're really confused what to do and what not.
Yeah.
Because I won't really say any strategy won't work, but for each and every student it's different.
Yeah.
Right? For example, I may be good at memorizing something, you may not be good at memorizing something.
Yes.
So it's very, very important that you use strategies which are tailored according to your needs, and you know that if you are doing that properly or not. Last thing I would like to ask you, how important are the mock tests? You've taken a number of mock tests, I remember. Right?
Yes.
A lot of mock tests. How important are mock tests and how do they prepare you for the exam?
Mock tests, I would recommend like those are highly important. Mock tests are giving you confidence. Mock tests are making a flow of you, like because you have to do some time management in this one. You need some confidence throughout your test, because it's not just like half an hour or 1 hour test. It's almost 3 hours, right?
Right?
So if you do a little mistake in beginning, in maybe read aloud or maybe repeat sentence, your confidence might be shaken, right? So mock tests are important in this way. Like when you are doing the full mock test or maybe the individual mock test, you are confident like if you are doing one mistake, it's not going to affect you that much.
Right.
So that is why mock tests are very important. And I would highly recommend all the PTE aspirants to do mock tests, because it will give you confidence and it will definitely boost you up to give you 100% throughout your test.
That's right. I remember one thing. there was a time when you told me that I've done all the mock tests. What should I do now, right?
Yes.
So guys, if he has got the score, it's not just a strategy. It's more of hard work and the right feedback as well. If you
Yes.
think that I'll just give you a strategy and you'll implement it and you'll get the score overnight, that's not going to happen.
Yeah.
It's very, very important you work hard, but work hard in the right direction. If you're just working hard but you're not going in the right direction, things can be very, very difficult. Make sure you keep on practicing and give your 100%. Doesn't matter what the situation is. As in his case, you were struggling a bit with your jobs as well, right?
Yeah,
But yes, he kept on going and he has got 8 each with 3 9s. Congratulations once again. That's it from this video, guys. Make sure you keep on practicing. Take a number of mock tests so that you're prepared for each and every uncertainty in the exam and you crack your exam in the very first go. That's it, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you very soon.